Hi, I'm Aizawa from Audio Heart. Today, I'd like to introduce you to our product, the VRS1. The VRS1 is a uniquely shaped audio system with a smooth, rounded design. It stands about 1.3 meters tall and is about 1 meter wide, but thanks to its clever design, it doesn't feel as large as it sounds. Inside, it's equipped with 14 built-in speakers, including a subwoofer, and it can faithfully play Dolby Atmos 11.2 channel audio signals. There's a tray mounted on one side of the unit. It's screwed in place, but can easily be removed and reattached to either side, depending on your preference. 3 speaker cables come out of the unit and connect to an AV amplifier. From the speaker side, the cables are labeled R, right, subwoofer, and L, left. On the amp side, each cable splits into individual connections, which are plugged in one by one using banana plugs. For the center speaker, you'll use the included attachment to combine the left and right signals into a center signal. The seat cushion inside is removable. For example, an adult and a child can fit together, and even someone tall, around 2 meters, can sit comfortably by taking out the cushion. For smaller users, you can add extra cushions to adjust the seating height. Since the speakers are passive, you'll need both an AV amplifier and a stereo amplifier for the subwoofer. You can use your existing TV, but if you're looking to get a new one, we recommend a 55-inch or larger 4K TV for the best experience. Personally, I use mine connected to a Blu-ray player and a PlayStation 4. I hang the PS4's head-mounted display on the tray for easy storage. If you want to play music from your smartphone, just use a Bluetooth-enabled amp. You can wirelessly stream music and enjoy it through the speakers. Streaming services like Netflix can be enjoyed via a Wi-Fi-enabled TV or amplifier. Now, let me explain a bit more about the speakers. The front left and right speakers use high-performance two-way speaker units, and the center speaker is also two-way, with phantom imaging separating the left and right channels. There are 8 surround speakers, side, rear, and ceiling channels, 4 pairs in total. Plus, there's a dual 16 cm subwoofer unit built into the back. All speaker units are carefully selected for premium sound quality. One of the standout features of this system is the dramatic sound isolation between the inside and outside. You'll get to experience that difference now. Let's walk inside and listen. Now we're inside. You should hear the deep bass and how the sound surrounds you from all directions. Let's step back out. As soon as we stand up and exit, it's suddenly quiet again. From outside, it just sounds like a regular TV at normal volume. These are the same speakers used in the front and center positions. They feature ultra-high performance tweeters that operate up to 50 kHz with piston motion, paired with aluminum cone woofers. They're driven by powerful double neodymium magnets. We've also carefully selected components for the crossover network, such as polypropylene film capacitors and air core inductors, and the cabinet materials were chosen through repeated listening tests to minimize unwanted resonance. When it comes to moving or transporting the VRS1, the unit breaks down into 3 main parts: upper, middle, and base sections. Each part is manageable with 2 adults and fits through narrow doors if turned vertically. When upright, the width becomes less than 70 centimeters, making it easy to move even in tight residential spaces. Thank you for watching.